Greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. Today I am working on a Stern Jurassic Park, and somebody told me there was a little trick to do something on these games because there's a little minor glitch with the way it's put together, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Supposedly, there's a fix for improving the reliability of the ball automatically shooting into the shooter lane and hitting this thing. So let's start a game. Of course, watch, it's probably going to work perfect now, but I'll get the top off of it. So it shoots the ball and it kicks it back up. See, that one worked. Let's try that again. See that? It goes halfway up and rolls back down. So it worked okay there. So now I think part of the reliability is the coil strength and also the level of the table. You want to definitely make it a little bit more on the flat side and follow the recommendations there. But so it's definitely working a lot better now. Now, one of the things I did to improve that is I raised this side of the table up a little bit more. So if you're having a problem, I am told that it's the result of this little ramp kick-up thing here. Let's zoom in, and you can look at it and kind of see. You can look at it and kind of see that there's definitely some imbalances there. So let's zoom in on it, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So right here is this lift, and the left side of it is actually a little bit lower than the right side. And I've been reading, and some people say if you put a little washer underneath that, that'll help. So I'm gonna try to do that and see if it improves the reliability of this thing. Mine seems to be working better since see, there we go. That time it didn't do it. See, it didn't do it there either. So I don't know what some people it happens a lot. Oh, I'm zoomed in. Sorry, you can't even see this. Some people it happens quite a lot, and some people it doesn't. You know, I'm not sure, but we're going to try this trick where we're going to undo this screw on the left and stick a washer behind it, and we're going to see if it improves the reliability of that. Although it's funny, this thing, I mean, half the time it didn't work for me, and then I just raised the front of the table up a little bit, and it started working a lot better. So maybe I just had the level off. You know, I don't know, but I can certainly see what people are talking about with this little tongue here a little bit lower. So let's raise it up and let's just see if it affects anything at all. And I'll report back in the next video, and we'll see what happens.